Hi friends, welcome to Thinkers IAS. Now let us learn about state of religion in Gupta period. Now let us look at the status of Buddhism and Brahmanism during Gupta period. Buddhism no longer received royal patronage in the Gupta period. Brahmanism had come to the forefront. The two gods who commanded the worship of their followers were Vishnu and Shiva. Vishnu emerged as the god of devotion and he came to be represented as the savior of the Varna system. Vishnu Purana compiled and a law book Vishnu Smriti was named after this god. 4th century AD, famous Vaishnava work Bhagavad Gita, which taught devotion to Lord Krishna and stressed the performance of the functions assigned to each Varna, became prominent. A few Gupta kings were worshippers of Shiva. Idol worship in the temples became a common feature of Hinduism from the Gupta period. Tolerance to all religions was practiced, no example of persecution. It is important from exam point of view. Even though Buddhism did not receive royal patronage, they were not persecuted by Guptas. Now let us look into art during the Gupta period. The Gupta period is called the golden age of ancient India. This may not be true in the economic field because several towns in North India declined during this period. Foreign trade also declined, but they issued the largest number of gold coins. Both Samudragupta and Chandragupta too were patrons of art and literature. Chandragupta is represented on his coins playing the flute. This is important for prelims point of view, that is Chandragupta is represented on his coins playing the flute. Chandragupta too maintained 9 luminaries or scholars. In ancient India, art was mostly inspired by religion. It is important, please make note of it, that is and do not get confused between Chandragupta Maurya and Chandragupta II. Both are different kings of different times. That is, Chandragupta Maurya is different and Chandragupta II is different. Okay, now let us look into Navaratnas who were present in court of Chandragupta II. First one is Kalidasa, one of Navaratna. Kalidasa was the author of 3 famous plays. Those are Abhignana Shakuntalam, which tells the story of King Dushyanta and Shakuntala, Malavikagni Mitram, which tells the story of love of King Agnimitra with Malavika, Vikramorvashiyam, which tells the love story of King Pururavas and celestial fairy Urvashi. These plays are very important from exam point of view, that is Abhignana Shakuntala, Malavikagni Mitram and Vikramorvashiyam. And the remaining 8 Ratnas were, please try to remember these names, all the Navaratnas, it may appear in prelims. Okay, moving forward. So the Navaratnas are Kalidasa, Vetalabhatta, Varahamihira, Vararuchi, Amarasimha, Dhanavantari, Kshapanak, Shanku, Ghatakarpura. Okay, moving forward. Even though Buddhism was not encouraged by kings, Buddhism gave great impetus to art in Maurya and post-Maurya times. It led to the creation of massive stone pillars, cutting of beautiful caves, and rising of high stupas or relic towers. The stupas appeared as dome-like structures on round bases, mainly of stones. Numerous images of the Buddha were fashioned. 2-meter high bronze image of the Buddha recovered from Sultanganj near Bhagalpur. Beautiful images of the Buddha were made at Saranath and Mathura. Ajanta paintings are part of Gupta period, that is 1st to 7th century AD. Now let us look into the Hindu gods. Supporters of Brahmanism, images of Vishnu and Shiva were created. At many places, we get a whole pantheon in which the chief god appears in the middle and his retainers and subordinates appear on the same panel all around him. you can see all this in the images provided here. The leading god is represented in large size, but his retainers and subordinate gods are drawn on a smaller scale. This represents a clear social distinction and hierarchy. Okay, that's it for today. Please download the PDF slides of ancient history video series till now. That is, around totally 43 videos were covered in our previous videos. Please click on the link in the description box below. These videos are very useful for UPSC IAS Prelims examination. Please subscribe to Thinkers IAS YouTube channel. Thank you.